If you're a Divevolk user, chances are pretty high that you have already heard of the UWACAM app, possibly even use it already. The dedicated underwater camera app UWACAM made quite some waves when it got initially released earlier this year, with its big control buttons, its advanced features and the fully customizable and easy to use interface. Now, only 3.5 months later, the developers have just released their latest update, UWACAM 2.0. Let me tell you, it's a big one, and it comes with 2 new features that will blow your mind and definitely make you want to use it on your next dive. Stick around to hear all about these unique new features and how they will help you capture better underwater footage instantly. Right after the intro. Hey there, you underwater image makers, and welcome to today's special announcement video of the new UWACAM 2.0 release. If you're new here, my name is Matthias. I'm an underwater cinematographer and content creator for the scuba diving and water sports industries. I also run the Underwater Video Academy, teaching divers like you how to capture their underwater adventures in the highest quality and easiest way possible. Finding tools that help scuba divers with their underwater video skills has been a big part of my work for the past 10+ years, and I've seen a lot of good and even more not quite so good ideas and tools aiming to do that. The Divevolk system with its unique membrane is definitely one of the better tools I've seen, which makes underwater photo and video shooting easier and more accessible to us divers. But that was just the hardware part, and we were lacking good software solutions for a long time. This changed when some passionate divers and software engineers from Switzerland created UWACAM and released it at the beginning of this year. If you're not familiar with the UWACAM app and what makes it so amazingly unique, I suggest you stop this video here and click over here to watch my initial announcement of the UWACAM app. Once you've done that, come back to this video and continue learning about the new amazing features, the recent release. They call it UWACAM 2.0 because it is a major update includes. So here we go. The smart minds behind UWACAM have been restlessly working on improving their app from the day they initially released it. Andy and his team have listened to the already countless users out there, implemented as many improvements and wishes as possible, and have published 17 updates in the past 3.5 months. That's about 1 update per week. And that's pretty crazy and shows their determination to create the best underwater camera app in history. And I think with the UWACAM 2.0 update they have succeeded. Why? Because of the 2 major new features they have included. UWACAM 2.0 comes with the so-called UWACOLOR Processing, a mathematically advanced algorithm that runs on the GPU chip in your phone, automatically correcting the colors of your underwater photos and videos, even if you're shooting in HDR Rec 2020. I had some time beta testing this new feature during our recent underwater video workshop in the Maldives, and I'm happy to say that the results are pretty impressive. Expensive underwater video lights are technically not needed anymore, as UWACOLOR is doing such an amazing job, especially down to about 15 to 20 meters. If you go deeper than that, it still works fine, but can be improved by using a red filter. Above that depth, a red filter is not even necessary in my opinion. The UWACOLOR Processing can be activated with the press of a button either directly while recording underwater or alternatively be applied later in playback mode when you're looking through your photos and videos. If you activate it while recording videos, the colors get baked into your footage and you can't undo this anymore in post. If you want more flexibility, capture your videos without UWACOLOR Processing activated and apply the processing in post. Applying UWACOLOR Processing in post can be a good idea, particularly at higher frame rates, to ease the workload of your phone's GPU. For photos, both an unprocessed and processed version are saved when the UWACOLOR is activated. But you can apply processing in post as well if you prefer to do it that way. This is amazing and an absolute game changer for everyone who simply wants good looking underwater photos and videos with minimal, well, actually no extra effort at all. Thank you UWACAM for making underwater shooting so easy. The second huge new feature is the integration of a fish identification function, the UWACAM Vizalyzer. On any footage captured during your dives, you can activate an AI-supported fish identification feature. As soon as you're back above water and have a mobile signal, you can pick one of your clips or photos captured, press the little fish icon in the top left corner and the AI gets to work. It analyzes the image and tells you what species you captured, where it lives, what it feeds on and more. And it doesn't just work on fish, but any marine animal and plants. Be careful though when you're abroad on a dive trip, as this feature uses cellular data for connecting to the AI and analyzing your shot. It can impact your included or purchased roaming data, even though it's optimized to use as little data as possible. So it's actually recommended to use it when you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. Gone are the days where you'd have to look through countless fish ID books to find what you saw on your last dive. Just capture it with your phone and let UWACAM's Vizalyzer AI tell you what it is. By the way, you can share the thumbnail and text with your friends right from the app. Now tell me who is not going to love this. Obviously, UWACAM 2.0 comes with many more smaller upgrades, like a complete manual explaining all the functions on their website or a basic in-app quick help feature. But the previously mentioned features are the absolute game changers for me and more than just two good reasons to use the app whenever I use my iPhone inside my Divevolk C-Touch 4 Max housing. And all this comes at no extra cost. It's all included in the standard subscription price, no matter which model you choose, the weekly, monthly or the yearly subscription. I know that some users don't like subscription models and I fully get that. I often see it the same way. But Andy and his team are constantly putting so much work and effort into making UWACAM better for us, providing value, including services like the Vizalyzer and actually supporting and listening to their users. I don't think that would be possible with a one-time payment model. Since UWACAM is sponsoring today's video, I was able to convince them to pass on an exclusive 20% discount to the first 100 users signing up for a yearly subscription plan. Simply use the code UWA2, that's UWA2, directly in the app when booking your yearly subscription, and if you're one of the first 100 people doing so, you'll get 20% taken off the subscription cost. Thank you UWACAM for providing this exclusive discount to my audience. Much appreciated. Oh, and before I forget, UWACAM asked me to create a complete video tutorial explaining every function of UWACAM 2.0 for their customers. I'm in the process of doing this, and you can expect that comprehensive video tutorial to be published here on the channel in early July this year. So if you're interested in that and don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell if you haven't yet. So what do you think about these new features? Do you find them as exciting as I do? Let me know down in the comment section below. And if you have any other suggestions for features and/or improvements you would like to see in UWACAM, send Andy an email to support@uwacam.com and he'll be more than happy to get back to you. He highly values any feedback that helps improve the app. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you want to learn how to take amazing half and half split shots with your smartphone, go and check out this video over here next. Keep capturing your awesome underwater adventures, and I will see you in the next video.